Good morning, everybody. We are so excited to be here at the brand new splash pad at the Linden City Park. I'm Allyson Dickey. I'm the chamber director. As you can see, I've got my big scissors here. Mayor Wess is holding the ribbon. We just performed the ribbon cutting ceremony, and this is something we've all been so excited about for so long, and we would like for Mayor Ward to tell us a little bit more about how this came to be.
All right, in 2018, Allyson, Mr. Gerald Parrish was the ex-department. He was with the Department of the Local Parks and Rec. He came in my office and pretty much told us that he wanted to see us revise the city park, and then anything we could afford, that the state would be willing to pay half of. He said, I know it sounds like it's too good to be true, but it is. So that's kind of how this idea got started, and I said, well, what all does that entail, you know, what does it take up? He said, pretty much anything your imagination can come up with. He said, we have splash pads, things that are built to go with the natural terrain of parks, and I said, well, let's talk more about this splash pad, and so that's kind of how it got started, and 3 long years later, we're finally here. And with a little chilly weather today, but a good turnout.
Memorial Day weekend, it is 62 degrees right now.
It is?
Yeah. So, but as you can see, it doesn't matter very much for the kids.
It's been a lot of work and a hard, long time coming, and we still like a little bit on our restrooms, but we should have those through by the end of this week.
It's going to be sunny and warm, guys, going into next week and all summer long. So, come on.
Everybody come out and enjoy.